Hi folks, welcome to the channel. Now I hadn't intended doing a video today. It's Friday, it's a beautiful day, I'm stuck in traffic, my camera was here and I thought I would, and I'm going to meet a couple of friends for a coffee. Thought I'd take you along with me. I'm heading back to the area where I'm going to live. I'm actually going to Xenia Boulevard, and I'm on the road with the traffic. There's always traffic, but it's worse today.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
So I'm not going to drive you as crazy with my whole day. This is going to be a very short wee video. I don't do very many short videos, but I'm going to do a wee short video. So Xenia Boulevard, which I've done a video in the past. I'll put a wee link to it here. It's quite good, but I'm not going shopping as usual. Well, I might go shopping actually. I might go into Primark and buy a couple of t-shirts, but I'm just going for to meet the friends. So we update. I'm now 2 weeks left to the completion date, if that happens when it's supposed to happen, and I can't wait. There will at that time still be a few things to do. I have to go to the notary, and no doubt a lot more documents to be signed. I have to get my electric and all sorted out. So I'm not sure what's going to happen in that day or in and around that day, but I'll record it all for anyone who's interested, who wants to know what the whole process is. My last video was sort of the first half of the process. Alright, so traffic's starting to move, so onward and upward. I couldn't stay quiet for that long. So I've just been thinking, driving along there. I've had this thought a few times in the past, but anyone who has a thought in this, let me know. I've found myself recently, I'm doing one proper video a week, but I have thought in the past, and thinking about it now, what people would think of me doing these week, like midweek, week quick update videos, maybe 7 or 8 minutes, maybe up to 10 minutes. You know, that might be a good idea. We update just to cushion the whole 7-day gap between videos. Now, on this video, I want to ask some advice. And I don't know who'll know this, who'll be able to answer this, but if you can, please come back to me, either in the comments below section or an email or whatever. But now that I know I'm staying 100%, now that I'm buying my own property, there's something that I've never really got to the bottom of, and it's something I need to find out. And I'm not finding it that easy on the internet to get the answer to this question. So I have an EU passport. And when it comes to signing up for doctors and all that sort of stuff, does anyone know what I'm entitled to? Do I need to get separate medical insurance? Also, and I've had different people tell me different things about this. So I'm a non-resident, and I'm not sure if I can stay a non-resident or not. And again, I found that difficult. I've been told that after 6 months, you apply for residency, and I'm not sure if that's true, because other people, including an estate agent, told me differently. So what does the EU passport entitle me to, and what do I still need to do to keep myself right with regard to, I want to go and, as I said, sign on for a doctor, sign on for a dentist, all that sort of stuff. Alright, hope I get a bit of an answer in that, because I really don't know, and I'm getting so many different bits of advice from different people. So if anyone who knows, let me know.
A few moments later.
Was I saying Xenia Boulevard? It's Xenia Boulevard.
With your head on your heart, please tell me which way to go.
These are two friends of mine, Catherine and Carl. Say hello.
Hello. Hello, viewers.
Now, one thing that I've always known, and I never do, is go into somewhere like a big massive shopping centre you don't know very well and don't take note of where you parked your car. So I've walked around for ages in the centre, and just to say, I'll just go outside and walk around. Oh my god, I think I've done a full 360. Of course, when time doesn't matter to you, it doesn't really matter. This is good for the legs. So I was in there for about 3 hours, It's now 3 p.m. I'm gonna go do a bit of a shop. Need milk and coke. Everyday life of a single person in Spain, I suppose. Quite windy, I hope the wind doesn't affect the sound. And while I was in there having my coffee, somebody else came over to me and said, "Oh, I know you." And lovely woman, wouldn't let me put her in camera. But it's great, it's a lovely friendly feeling when people spot you and come over and they're all smiles.
I can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake. A limbo dance, such a fine romance. Bit by bit, I am slowly.
Hard life. Don't usually have a pint during the day, but first one in a couple of weeks, thought I'd treat myself. It's roasting.
Later.
How will I call without your word? How will I call
Beautiful.
without your heartbeat? How will I call without your
Right. 1 minute.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So, 6 p.m, that's a sort of typical day for me, you know, find other things to do. I will go for walks, bring the dogs for a walk, I'll go along the front, I'll go, I like the big Chinese bazaar shops where you can go and look at all the rubbish, rarely buy anything. But it's a quiet life and I want it to be more lively, and it will do once I move into my own place and start travelling to make videos and doing that sort of thing. I want to get back to going to Thailand again, but once you leave the hustle and bustle of your normal life behind, it takes a wee while to get used to it, and everything's nice and calm and settled. And I find now you're not thinking about problems, you're not thinking about difficulties, you're thinking about, for me, I'm thinking about making videos and what I want to do, and you're just not thinking too far ahead or too far behind. It's a fantastic feeling. Just I'm so lucky to be in this position that I can do this. I could be at home now, apparently the weather isn't great, I could be in work, you know. But you need to have things to do. You need to be busy. You need to find things to do. You can't just chill out all the time, especially as a single person. You know, you need that. I have lots of ideas for the channel and things that I am going to go and do, and I'm really looking forward to sort of getting stuck into that. At one stage I did a bucket list on the channel, and I've done one of the things on it, which is paragliding. So I want to get back into taking those things off, and that's all going to happen once I move into my new apartment. So there you go, that's sort of the day in the life of a single person in Spain. Places like Thailand, they're electric, they're buzzing all the time, tons of people around, tons of people to talk to. This is a completely different lifestyle, and as I said, it takes a wee bit of getting used to, but I feel very content, very settled, very happy. Alright, so I'm going to leave the video off there. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe would be brilliant. Until next time, bye for now.